This is a song by The Temptations called I Wish It Would Rain, and I can't really play it that well on guitar, so I'm just going to play the chords to it and sing as best as I can to make up for my crappy guitar playing. So I apologize in advance, and hopefully you will accept my apology. Here it goes. Ooh, yeah. Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. Girl has found another and gone away. With her, with my future, my life is filled with gloom. So day after day, I stay locked up in my room. And I know to you, it might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. 'Cause so badly I wanna go outside, but everybody knows that a man ain't supposed to cry. I gotta cry, 'cause crying, ooh, eases the pain, oh yeah. Baby, this hurt I feel inside, words could never explain. I just wish it would rain, let it rain. Oh, I wish it would, I wish it would, I wish it would rain. Day out, my tears they stay pressed against the window pane. My eyes search the sky desperately for rain. Raindrops will hide my teardrops, and no one will ever know that I'm crying, crying when I go outside to the world outside my tears. And I refuse to explain. I just wish it would rain. Whoa, let it rain, let it rain. I need rain to the skies, the tears in my eyes. Till it rains, I'm gonna stay inside. I wish it would, I wish it would rain. Oh yeah, oh. Ooh.